In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix messages are missing restore now in Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. You land to the chats page. Now navigate to the option menu. Head over to the option settings. Click on the option privacy and safety. Here you're going to find different section. Under security, you're going to find the option end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on that. Now click on the option message storage. Now click on the option turn off secure storage. Click on turn off. Then click on the option delete secure storage. Click on continue. Now wait for a few minutes and then click on the option turn on secure storage. Select the option how you will access your chat history. I'm gonna select create a 6-digit PIN. Click on continue and create your PIN. Confirm it. With this, your problem will be resolved. Now you won't get this kind of pop-up. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.